Right, when I was on my live stream last night, we were getting information that not only was plane travel and boat travel restricted coming into the Philippines, but also buses from Manila and going to Manila from anywhere was restricted. So we've come to the bus terminal in Naga, as you can see. Welcome to Naga City bus terminal. Just before we do it, this building here, we thought this was going to be the SM extension, but it's not. It's LCC. It's another mall, guys. Just what we need in Naga.
Big competition.
Yeah, even more competition. So we're going to have a walk through the bus station, see how busy it is, see what buses are going where. So if you're thinking of coming to Naga, you've got a little bit more information on whether you can get here, and if you get here, whether you can get out of here. I think that's some information you need to know. So as you can see, there's lots of buses in the terminal, and there's lots of people wanting to get out of Naga and people coming into Naga. And I love it in the terminal. Look at all this, how it's crammed with goodies. So here we are.
That is outside Naga.
That's outside Naga. So it's just like Iriga and places like that. Yeah. Is this all Iriga?
No, Lagunoy.
Right. Lagunoy. Whatever. So the buses for Manila are over here, and there's buses in there, so let's go and see what the score is, because I was under the impression you couldn't get a bus into Manila. It was stopped. And being as any gatherings that is more than 50 people, it's banned, they can't do it. And I believe these buses hold more than 50. Some of them anyway. No, that's wrong. It's 49. 49 people on the seats. So look how busy it is, guys. Them nuts, I love them nuts. I want some of them nuts. Look at these. Honey glazed, my favourite. They're normally going around with baskets selling them in the terminal. So let's see where we're going with these buses. That's going to Karamoan.
Yeah, Karamoan.
All right.
This one going to Pasay. Oh, Manila.
Now, you may notice that there's not a lot of people wearing masks, guys. So I'm guessing there's not too many worries, at least at this moment in time. So that one's going to Daet. So internal buses, like on the outskirts, there you go, look, she's selling my favourite. They're not barred from going in between places like your Daets and Iriga and places like that. But anything going to Naga, what's the What's the restrictions on Manila then, Mal? They're not going straight into Manila, are they?
No.
Right. So what's happening then? They can get on a bus that is allegedly going to Manila, but it's not. It has to stop before it gets to Manila, and then they have to find another bus to take them into Manila. But there's no direct buses now into Manila, or vice versa, coming out. Just have a look down here, guys. Huh? Check what? Yeah, it's still going. There you go. All persons who came 7 days ago.
What? Just read that.
I was reading it and you stopped me.
You're not louder. It's louder.
Really? You're telling me to louder? All persons who came 7 days ago and those who will be coming to Naga City from Metro Manila and other places infected with the corona, as well as those who have passed through Metro Manila during their travel, are required to undergo a 14-day self-quarantine upon arrival. Now, I don't know about you guys, but how many's going to volunteer that? I don't think they are, somehow. So let's just have a look down here. There's a little foodery down here and it's really nice. Every time we've come back into Manila, we've sat down and had a little bit of something to eat. So there is restrictions, guys, just be aware of it. Yeah.
My favorite.
Well, I just said that, Mel. So, which one is it that I like? Oh, it's over there, look. Huh? Naga, City of Smiles. I love Naga. We all love Naga. There you go, that eatery there. Boy Eatery. If you ever come to Naga, have something from there, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
You want to eat?
So, eat? Have you got money to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Let's eat.
There's no.
No, you've got to go that way.
You want rice?
A little bit, depending on what I'm having with it. Oh, we're going to eat, guys, so you can see what we're going to eat with that boy. Mel's always hungry. If there's any food, she's after it.
Every time you go out, I need to bring money.
Well, you've got more money than me. You have more money than me now. You know I'm curry pot, right? Right. Hello. What we got? That's quite nice with a bit of rice.
Chicken curry.
Yeah.
It's pork.
No, I don't want pork. I think I'll have some chicken curry, man. Are we eating here or the next one?
Fish.
Yeah, just let's have a look. Yeah, we'll have a look first. Yeah. Look at all that.
Fish.
Yeah, fish head,
It's
guys.
adobo. Chicken and is there have a liver there.
Yeah. Look, see the fish still winking. Look.
It's igado.
It's what?
Igado.
Ibadu.
Same. This is chicken liver, and that one is pork.
That looks like kidney, Mal. That doesn't look like liver. It's kidney. See, I knew more than you did.
Because it's chicken liver.
It's not chicken liver. That's too big to be chicken liver. This is the nicer one. This is where I've ate before, guys.
It's like
Oh, they're nice pieces of chicken, aren't they? Eh? Wow.
it's like tomato.
Yeah.
Which one you want?
I think I'll go with the.
Let's get chop suey.
Huh?
Chop suey.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, chop suey. Whatever you want. Are we having a soda or some coffee? See, no coffee here. She just, ooh, do you know what? We'll wait half an hour. Do you know I can make a decision pretty quick, but Mel can't. Do you know what? I think I'd rather have that chicken thingy. What about you? Do you want the chop suey? Yeah, it doesn't look as nice as that one though, does it? And this was my favourite place. course, we could have rice. So let's have a seat over here. So if you come here and you fill all this stuff out. You what, baby?
You want soda or coffee?
Soda, I think. Something cold, babe. Thank you. Yeah, and you fill stuff out so they can put their hands on you if they need to. There you go then. There's mine and there's Mel's. And as long as there's rice with it, Mel's happy. That's what?
Free soup.
Free soup? Wow. Libre? My God. I like libre. Free. There you go. So we'll just get eating, guys, and then we'll see you in a moment. Yes, you can't have any. You're so greedy. Yeah. You said you like sharing, so can I have some of yours? Calm down.
It's nice, right?
Right, guys, we've just brought some water out. Do not drink the water from these places because it is not filtered. On the whole, it's not filtered. You can ask, but the answer's going to be no, sir. So if you don't want deli belly, don't drink the water. Look at that, Mel's getting well stuck in. She wants my rice, though. She keeps eyeing my rice up. It's outrageous. Now you wonder why I'm so fat and Mel's so thin. Now though she eats a lot, she eats many times during the day, she's given me her food. But she couldn't eat it all. She's ate the rice, a little bit of what she had, and then she left, well, she ate the meat and then give me the vegetables. And I ate mine lot. It was very nice. I enjoyed it. Don't forget, guys, do not drink the water. She looks really serious, doesn't she?
Please hit the like.
Please hit the like. Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
Hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye.
Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must make